In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-timeframe FVG in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or any ticker you want to analyze. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to head straight to the indicators menu because that's where all the tools and custom scripts live. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar running horizontally. Look for the button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Indicators and Strategies panel, which usually pops up as a window in the middle or on the side of your chart, depending on your layout. This panel is where you can search for built-in tools, community scripts, and any custom indicators you've saved. Inside that panel, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on the search box so it's active and ready for typing. This search bar is really powerful because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and using the search makes it much faster to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling. Now, in that search box, type in multi-timeframe FVG. Make sure you spell it correctly so it shows up in the results. FVG stands for fair value gap, and this kind of indicator helps highlight imbalances in price that can act as potential areas of interest on your chart. The multi-timeframe version is especially useful because it allows you to see fair value gaps from higher timeframes while you're working on a lower timeframe chart, which can give you a cleaner, more complete picture of market structure. Once you see multi-timeframe FVG appear in the search results, simply click on it to add it to your chart. After you click, TradingView will automatically apply the indicator, and you should start seeing the fair value gap zones plotted directly on your candles. If you want to customize how it looks, you can open the settings for the indicator from the chart legend and adjust things like colors, line styles, or which time frames it references, so it matches your trading style. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use. It's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks more features like additional indicators on one chart, more alerts, and better overall performance, which really helps when you're working with multi-timeframe tools like this. And that's all you need to do to add the multi-timeframe FVG indicator in TradingView Pro.